In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert estimates to invoices in Wave. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn an approved estimate into a polished invoice your customer can pay without re-entering any details. Start by opening Wave Accounting in your browser and signing into your account. If you manage more than one business in Wave, make sure the correct business is selected so the right customers and documents appear. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Sales and Payments. From there, choose Estimates. This is where all your drafted and sent estimates live. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly find what you need. Next, open the estimate you want to convert. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the final version your customer approved, with the correct client name, project or service description, and pricing. When you're confident it's the right one, click Convert to Invoice. Wave will instantly create an invoice draft using the details from the estimate, saving you time and avoiding duplicate data entry. Now review the invoice carefully. Check the customer information, including the billing name and email address. Look over each line item to confirm the item descriptions, quantities, rates, and taxes are accurate. Verify the subtotal, taxes, and total amount due. This is also a good time to confirm the invoice date and due date, and to add or refine any notes or terms your customer should see. If you accept online payments through Wave, make sure the appropriate payment methods are enabled, so your customer can pay right from the invoice. Small details matter here. Catching a typo or an incorrect tax rate now prevents delays later. When everything looks good, choose how you want to finalize it. Click Save if you'd like to keep the invoice as a draft and come back later, or click Send to deliver it to your customer directly from Wave. Sending will email the invoice to the customer on file and share a secure payment link if you've set that up. You can also preview the invoice before sending to be sure the layout and totals look exactly right. And that's it. Your estimate has now been converted into an invoice in Wave Accounting, keeping your workflow smooth and your records tidy. This simple process helps maintain consistency from quote to payment and gives your customer a clear, professional document to act on. Thanks for watching.